Hello everyone, I'm Apurva Pandita and welcome to livelaw. As we all know that there have been a lot of unfortunate incidents of landslides in places like Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh these past few months. And our news update from today is more or less related to this crucial issue. Recently, the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change has submitted a report to the Supreme Court suggesting that they should form a team of experts to figure out how much these areas can handle in terms of development and tourism. The Supreme Court has been considering a plea requesting a study to be conducted with regard to the carrying capacity of 13 Himalayan region states. On 21st of August, a bench of Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud, Justice J.B. Pardiwala and Justice Manoj Mishra directed the petitioner and respondent to discuss and suggest a solution on this particular issue. This plea highlights concerns like too much building and development in the Indian Himalayan region, like hotels, resort and power projects. As per the petition, all of this is happening without proper control and is causing problems like pollution, traffic and damage to nature in these 13 places. The plea further states that these issues are affecting the environment and the way things work in these areas, which particularly include the states of Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, West Bengal, Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Sikkim, Nagaland, Tripura and Arunachal Pradesh. And well, as per the report submitted by the ministry, it's important to collect facts about each of these areas and make plans to study how much they can handle. They had already given guidelines for this in 2020 and reminded the states about it in 2023. The ministry wants all 13 Himalayan states to create a plan for how they will figure out the carrying capacity of their areas, which means how much development and tourism they can handle. They suggest forming a committee in each state led by its chief secretary to do the study. They also recommend involving an institute called the GB Panth National Institute of Himalayan Environment, which has experience in these studies. This institute will help create guidelines for these particular studies. Once these studies are done, the ministry suggests that these be checked by a group of experts led by the director of the GB Panth National Institute. These experts will give suggestions on how to carry out these plans and they will be reviewed from time to time. It has also suggested the names of people and organizations that should be part of this expert group. These include experts in disaster management, water and geology, as well as representatives from government bodies like Pollution Control Board and Geological Survey. However, it's worth noting the paradox that while the government has been making these suggestions, it has also been permitting and even endorsing the Char Dham Yatra in these very regions. Talking more about the plea itself that is submitted before the apex court, it is alleged that the ecological harm has occurred in the Himalayan region due to a lack of assessment of the environment limits in sensitive areas, hill stations, high altitude regions and places with heavy tourist activity by both the central and the state governments. It was also claimed that the governments have not properly devised and put into action plans for tourism, layouts, area development and zoning. Furthermore, the plea contends that unregulated construction of hydropower projects and hotels or resorts which have surpassed the region's capacity is a primary cause of land sinking, subsidence, fissures and cracks in Joshimath. These geological issues have led to the destruction of over 800 structures and adversely impacted more than 3,000 families living in the area. This was all for this video today. We really hope that you like our content. And if you do, then do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now you can also become a member by donating ₹89 per month. Thank you.